Hello friends, Namaste. I am Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today I want to share with you part 2 of how to get more crop from our gardens. So this is if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get my next videos too. So to start with, I have started this terrace garden 14 months back. 14 months back I have started this terrace garden. Okay, I used to have a small garden down, but there is no sunlight much, which they are not getting and they are not growing. So I thought that I should come to terrace and start my gardening here, and I felt that I should grow whatever I eat. Of course, it is very difficult to do that, but still I am trying and trying to grow what I want to eat. Okay, so this I want to tell you. And firstly, what we have to do if we want to start a garden, or those who have already started also, some mistakes will be we will be doing, and what I did I will tell you. Okay, to start a garden, first of all we want some containers. Containers means firstly we will take this we will know about this tree. If we want to plant a tree, what type of container we need. Okay, this as far as I know, there are three types of containers. Firstly, this blue color, some of them are using this blue color container, see here, but larger size. They are cutting the container double than that, this. They are cutting the container and making it into two pieces and putting these trees into it. So then the next one, then the next one is this black containers. Here you can see some black containers here. So this is the black container, and there are different types of containers, but in this different sizes are there. But this container, which is bigger one, which is suitable for our for planting a tree in it, I felt. So next one, even in this container also you can keep. This is only 100 rupees. Okay, that is, that blue container is 300. So 300 means it is I mean, I felt it is costly, so I didn't bother about that. Next one, this one. This is good. This is 200 rupees. You can see this is 200 rupees. Okay, see here. You can see, nice it is. Nice and big, no? This is 200 rupees, and this black container what I have showed you there is only 100 rupees. So that also we can take, or this also we can take. This is this or that, anything. So according to the to our interest. Okay, but what I did is, in the beginning I didn't know, and what I did is I have taken this type of container for the trees. See here, it is long and nice. In the beginning it was very nice, but when I put this tree, what is this? Guava tree. But see the position now? It's gone. So that is not strengthy. That is all. So we should not take that type of containers. But this guava tree has given me a lot of guavas. I love you. But that tree has given me a lot of guavas. What I want to tell you, that type of containers are not suitable for planting the trees or anything. They are not suitable for gardening also, because due to the sun, due to the rays of the sun, what happens is they will break like. Okay, so we should not do like that. All the black containers are good, and I want to use them only for this this gardening purpose. So for planting trees or even for vegetables also they are good. Okay, for growing vegetables also they are good. Okay, then this garden is this small round. You can see this round, and I have taken at a time six types of plants. Ramafal, trees like Ramafal, Anjur I have taken. Same 4 months back. 4 months back I have taken Anjur, I have taken Ramafal, I have taken, then star fruit I have taken, and table lemon. This is table lemon here. Table lemons, lemon plant, I somehow like this, so I have taken this. And then this is this is apple bear, apple bears are also coming. I have taken one, so apple bear is coming, and next one is that is ramafal and gulab jamun, it seems. I have heard for the first time. So somehow when a tree is there, I'll just grab it out. So okay. When trees, I am very fond of trees, and I want to, whatever less amount, less fruits I will get, I don't bother, but I want to have everything from my garden only maximum, so that I will see. So here, here see, even this custard apple, see here, so many flowers are coming on this. I loved them so much. See here, so cute flowers are. So what I have done, I felt that only so many tomatoes are coming, flowers are coming, tomatoes are coming here, star fruits are coming, and anjeer is coming, and here the table lemons are coming, tomatoes, everything is full in this full spring like. So spring like. So I felt that this is okay. What, even mango trees here? Even mango trees here. So everything is fine, like if everything is healthy and fine. So I felt that what I am doing is good for the plants. What I am getting from the plants also, I am very much satisfied with what I am getting also, and that is why I want to share with you. Okay, this is the video I want to share with you. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and press the bell icon so that you can get my next videos too. Okay then, thank you, bye. They're telling bye. Yeah. Okay then, bye.